Efficiency and automation. Artificial intelligence, AI, increases productivity in many areas from production to the service sector. Especially in the manufacturing sector, AI-supported robots can perform processes such as assembly, welding, and quality control faster and more precisely. Such automation systems minimize malfunctions in production lines, reduce maintenance times, and increase production speed. For example, robots used in an automobile factory can assemble each part in seconds, significantly increasing the number of units produced per hour. In addition, these robots make far fewer mistakes than human workers can make, which improves product quality. It is also possible to see the advantages of AI in logistics and warehouse management. Intelligent warehouse systems ensure that products are optimized and found quickly. AI-enabled automated warehouse systems can monitor stock levels in real time, automatically prepare orders, and minimize disruptions in the supply chain. For example, online supermarkets such as Ocado use warehouse robots to quickly pick and pack orders, reducing delivery times and increasing customer satisfaction. Personalized experiences. Artificial intelligence plays a big role in creating personalized experiences. Social media platforms and e-commerce sites offer personalized content and product recommendations based on users' past behavior. For example, platforms such as Netflix and Amazon analyze users' past viewing and shopping data to recommend interesting new content and products. Such recommendations enable users to spend their time more efficiently and offer options that match their interests. Similar personalization is also provided in education. Smart education platforms allow students to learn at their own pace by providing personalized learning materials based on their learning speed and strengths. For example, platforms such as Khan Academy and Duolingo analyze students' learning processes and provide them with relevant lessons and exercises. This helps students learn more effectively and achieve better results. Improvements in health. Artificial intelligence provides significant advances in the field of health. AI algorithms used in medical imaging and diagnostic processes can detect diseases faster and more accurately. For example, AI-supported software can detect tumors, fractures, and other abnormalities by analyzing MRI, Connecticut, and X-ray images. This speeds up the process of early diagnosis and treatment, increasing patients' chances of recovery. It is also possible to see the benefits of AI in genetic research and personalized medicine. By analyzing genetic data, AI can determine individuals' susceptibility to genetic diseases and create personalized treatment plans. For example, some types of cancer can be diagnosed and treated more accurately through genetic profiling. Such personalized approaches make treatment processes more targeted and effective. Rapid data analysis and decision support. AI offers the ability to analyze large data sets quickly and effectively. This provides a great advantage for making strategic decisions in the business world. Thanks to big data analytics, companies can make strategic decisions and optimize business processes by analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational data. For example, e-commerce sites can personalize product recommendations and optimize inventory management by analyzing users' shopping habits. AI is also having a major impact in the financial sector. By analyzing market data, investment firms can assess risks and optimize investment strategies. By trading at high frequency, algorithmic trading systems can quickly capture market trends and evaluate investment opportunities. This helps investors make more informed decisions and improve their financial performance. New approaches in education. Artificial intelligence offers innovative approaches in the field of education. Educational technologies make the learning process more effective by providing customized educational experiences according to the individual learning needs of students. AI-supported educational tools analyze students' strengths and weaknesses and provide customized learning materials and feedback accordingly. For example, if a student struggles with maths, an AI-based education platform can help the student progress in this subject by offering additional exercises and guidance. There are also a variety of AI-enabled tools available for teachers. These tools can track students' progress and show teachers where students are struggling. This can help teachers develop more effective teaching strategies and better respond to students' individual needs. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Job loss and economic impacts. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation into various industries can lead to significant job displacement. Repetitive and low-skilled jobs are particularly vulnerable. For instance, in the retail sector, the implementation of self-service checkouts has reduced the demand for cashier positions. Similarly, in manufacturing, robotics can automate assembly lines, reducing the need for human workers. This technological shift can disrupt local economies, as displaced workers may face difficulties in finding new employment. The transition can be particularly challenging for individuals without the skills required for emerging job markets. To address these challenges, governments and businesses must invest in workforce retraining programs, upskilling initiatives, and educational reforms. Supporting displaced workers with career counseling and job placement services can also ease the transition and mitigate the negative economic impacts. Privacy and security concerns. AI technologies often rely on the collection and analysis of large volumes of personal data, raising significant privacy and security concerns. For example, health apps and financial services utilize AI to offer personalized experiences, but this can expose sensitive information to potential breaches. If hackers gain access to such data, it could lead to identity theft, financial loss, or other privacy violations. Strengthening data protection measures is essential to safeguarding personal information. Implementing robust encryption techniques, enforcing strict access controls, and conducting regular security audits can help mitigate these risks. Additionally, transparency regarding data collection practices and obtaining informed consent from users are crucial steps. Compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) can further enhance data security and privacy protections. Bias and injustice. AI systems can inherit and even amplify biases present in their training data, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. For instance, in the recruitment industry, AI-driven hiring tools may favor candidates from certain demographic groups if the training data reflects historical biases. Similarly, predictive policing algorithms may disproportionately target specific communities based on biased data, exacerbating existing social inequalities. Addressing bias in AI requires designing algorithms with fairness in mind and ensuring diverse and representative training datasets. Regular auditing of AI systems for bias and involving ethicists in the development process are also important strategies. Transparency in AI decision-making processes and providing avenues for recourse can help ensure that AI systems operate justly and equitably. Addiction to technology. AI-driven applications such as social media platforms and video games often utilize algorithms designed to maximize user engagement. This can lead to excessive screen time and potential addiction. For example, algorithms that recommend increasingly engaging content can trap users in endless scrolling or gaming loops, negatively impacting their physical and mental health. Prolonged screen exposure can cause eye strain, disrupt sleep patterns, and contribute to issues such as reduced physical activity and social isolation. To combat technology addiction, promoting balanced and mindful technology use is essential. Encouraging regular breaks, setting screen time limits, and fostering offline activities can help users maintain a healthy relationship with technology. Additionally, developers can implement features that remind users to take breaks and promote digital well-being. Control and transparency issues. AI systems, particularly those using deep learning techniques, can operate as black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are often opaque. This lack of transparency can make it challenging to understand how AI systems arrive at certain decisions. For example, an AI-powered credit scoring system might reject a loan application based on criteria that are not readily explainable to the applicant. This lack of clarity can lead to trust issues and hinder accountability. To address these concerns, efforts must be made to enhance the interpretability of AI systems. Techniques such as explainable AI (XAI) aim to provide insights into how AI models make decisions. Additionally, regulatory frameworks and standards can help ensure that AI systems are transparent and that users have access to explanations and recourse mechanisms. Thank you for watching so far. If you enjoyed this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified of our future videos.